Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence without a ton of money. And well, today I'm going to do that by helping you figure out what to buy your truck guy in your life. So that's how we're going to help them build their hot rod without a lot of money. So it's going to be gifts for your truck guy under $100 this holiday season. Not only is it 5 Minute Friday, but it's Black Friday. Now, I think my 2019 gift guide still holds up here in 2020 as well, so if you missed that from last year, of course, I'll leave an info card up over here for that. So if you want more ideas, I would just recommend going to last year's episode. But otherwise, this year we're focusing straight on the truck owner in your life. So with that, like I said, it's Black Friday edition of 5 Minute Friday. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to recommend a D-ring for your trailer hitch. Now first off, you're going to want to make sure that your loved one's truck actually has a receiver hitch in the back. So just go back behind the truck and look for one of these guys. And if he has something that looks a lot like this, then I would recommend buying a D-ring hitch. What this is going to do is this is like, especially in the winter months, so in last year's episode we recommended a tow strap, and so if you have one of these, of course they have looped ends on both ends, and if you don't have a trailer hitch, these D-rings are a great way to hook those up, and it just makes life a lot easier, a lot more secure, a lot of peace of mind involved with running one of those. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of these products, whether that's through my Amazon affiliate links or just basically the first place I would think of to go to buy any of these products. So go check those out if you want one of these. Next up, let's go with an exhaust tip. So if there's a diesel owner in your life and you just bought a new truck, maybe for towing, maybe just for longevity, and this is their first diesel truck, pretty popular to put a chrome exhaust tip on the end of the 4-inch stock single exhaust. So I went to MBRP for this one. Checks in right at about 60 bucks. So this would be my next recommendation. So again, we all know that one of the biggest ways you can change the look of your truck is by wheel and tire combinations. And well, you're not going to buy wheels and tires for under 100 bucks. The other way is by stamps, so adjusting the suspension height. And a really cheap way to do that is there are tons of makes and models are, especially if you have a strut component for your front suspension, a spacer lift, very inexpensive. It can oftentimes get done for under $100. So just because I'm a Toyota Tacoma owner, I went ahead and looked up Toyota Tacomas and I found these 3/4 inch front lift leveling kits from Toytech for right at $89. Next we have a battery charger. So if you have a project car like me that's tucked all the way in here in the garage, it's a little hard to get jumper cables from here to the other car in these tight confines. So we went to Amazon.com and found one of their Amazon Choice battery packs, and so I will leave a link down below to this guy. But just a simple, wall charge, plug it in, charge it up, build the charge, bring it over to your car, get it started up, and we're good. And lastly, we have accessory lights. Now these they're kind of like a post-it note format, about that size. What's good about these, while they're in a way they might be too small for say like putting in the front of the truck for hunting, but you can put these almost anywhere. Sometimes it's nice to have them at the running board location. If you're on the trails, they're great for when you're looking right outside the door about what you're about to wheel over at night, or even some people like to put them shining back in their bed. So when you throw the reverse lights on, it lights up your cargo area, or put it on a switch. So there's many versatile uses for these things. And with LED technology, they're actually super bright for their small package. Might not have a wide spread, but they're a very, very popular gift. Trust me, if you buy your guy a set of these, he's going to find a place to throw them on his truck, no matter what. It actually appears I got 5 Minute Friday done in way under 5 minutes, so honorable mention is a rubber fender cover. And so this is great for just protecting the paint on your car. As you can see, I do not have one, and so Project Low Fairmont is extra greasy and grimy, so go pick up one of those. You can customize it with just about any brand. There's tons of options out there, so go pick you up one of those. So those are my 5 suggestions on how to spend less than $100 on a gift and get something cool for the truck guy in your life. Again, there are links down in the description below to each of the products I mentioned. Some of them I get a little kickback on, some of them I don't, but just trying to make it easier for you. Hopefully your Black Friday will look different this year. Well, if you're watching this in the first hour or so after it's been uploaded, well then you're up at normal Black Friday time. So anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do, as long as you do one. It really helps the channel out. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.